BTS Setup and Demonstration. Once the BTS product has been installed and the initial setup has been completed to have the required BTS menu, program permissions and triggers configured in place, we are now ready to allow BTS to generate the required banking institution payment instruction file. This video tutorial will walk through the process of defining the correct financial institution format required against the SYSPRO bank so that the EFT extract will generate the BTS payment file, which may be simply imported into the banking institution. The SYSPRO bank that is going to be handling EFT payments needs to be configured as such. What is required is that the SYSPRO bank you intend setting up has been configured in the bank maintenance program with the EFT payments required option ticked, and the next EFT number has been entered, which needs to be greater than the last check number used for this bank to prevent duplicate transactions. EFT bank control setup. Expand the electronic fund transfer menu option, expand the setup option, and run the EFT bank control program. Browse to select the required SYSPRO bank. There is no need to tick the Output Payments to XML Format option, as BTS does not require the EFT output XML file to generate the required payment files for the financial institutions. Select the path location and enter the XML file path, which is where BTS will generate the associated electronic payment file. Select the Save button and exit the program. BTS Bank Format Setup. Expand the Source IT Bank Translation System menu and then expand on the Setup option. Select the BTS bank formats. To add a new bank to BTS, select the Add button in the toolbar or press the Ctrl and A keys and the BTS bank maintenance window will open, allowing for a new bank to be configured. To change an existing bank setup, select the Change button or press the Ctrl and C keys and the BTS bank maintenance window will open, allowing for the bank details to be modified. Select the Bank Format Browse button and double-click on the required BTS format and fill out the available BTS bank details. Depending on the BTS format selected, a second window may appear to the right of the BTS bank details window, requiring specific additional information for that BTS format. Select the Save button to save the entered details. To change an existing SYSPRO bank format from the current BTS bank format to another BTS bank format, simply browse for the new bank format and double-click to select the new format. You will be prompted to confirm the change and presented with screens allowing for required parameters to be configured for the new selected format. Simply select the Save button to save the new format settings. Supplier Setup. All suppliers that are required to be paid via EFT are required to be configured as such. Expand the Accounts Payable and then Setup options and run the suppliers program. Browse and select the desired supplier, and under the supplier details, ensure that the bank code is as per the already configured EFT bank control previously set up. In the General Details window under the Supplier Bank Details group, tick the EFT Payments Required option, and depending on the BTS format and or the BTS institution's configurations, fill out the other supplier bank details. Depending on the BTS format being used, the financial institution may require other information not available in the core SYSPRO solution, and in this case, when you select the Save button, the After Supplier Added or Changed SYSPRO trigger point will call a BTS program, which will then prompt for the additional information. Fill out the required information and select the Save button to exit the program. EFT Extract. Once the associated AP payment cycle or cashbook EFT withdrawal process has been completed, the EFT payments extract, or in our demo, the re-extract process, will call into the associated BTS trigger points. After you have been asked to confirm that you would like to proceed with the EFT extract process, EFT will first extract the batch, confirming that we have turned off the creation of the EFT XML file output. When you elect to exit the EFT extract process, the EFT triggers will call the BTS program to create the electronic payment bank file. The BTS payment list report will be produced, after which the BTS bank file will be generated in the bank control XML path, and the path and BTS file name will be displayed to the user. As you can see, the BTS electronic payment bank file is now available to be imported into the financial institution's banking solution. You have now completed the BTS SYSPRO bank and supplier setup to allow the BTS product to intercept any EFT payment cycles made through to the configured suppliers to be translated and converted into the correct electronic format to be imported into your financial banking institution's software.